Perdida, the trusting one. She's working on getting closer to me. Hey, Perdida. Whoa. Fernando, the jealous one. Perdida gets close. Fernando chases away. Toothless. Ruthless, toothless. It's about bedtime. Time to go to bed. We're doing a little documentary on it. Well, not documentary. A little video on the birds. Blog the birds time. Birds blog. Happy bird blog to you. And you. Kevin's and Friends. Reptile Room Bird Blog. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification so you get notified every time we do a video on Perdida or Fernando. Oh, look at him. He's getting puffed up feathers because he's getting jealous. Chirpity chirp chirp. The bird blog. Perdida and Fernando bird blog. Do I got you in my hand, Perdida? So what you're looking at? Do I got you in my hand? Are you looking at yourself? I have you in my hand. Isn't that crazy? Never seen nothing like that before, eh? Perdida's doing her own blog right now, ladies and gentlemen. Fernando, you want to do a blog too? We can do a blog too. Come on now, Fernando. It's blogging time. Come on. You gotta get those likes up, man. Get those likes up for us, you know? Get those subscribers and get those likes in there. Oh, what are you visiting? You visiting Rango? I think Rango's going to sleep, yo. I think Rango's going to sleep. Hey? Y'all see Rango in there? Perdida's gonna go see Rango. You gonna go see Rango? Don't go in there. I think Perdida wants to meet Rango. Go see Rango. Hey, Perdida? Yeah. There's Rango in there. Hey? Are you and Rango friends? Hey? Are you and Rango friends? Look at that. Hey? Look at, she's really looking in there. Rango's in there, silly. It's hilarious. This is a bird blog. Why is she looking at Rango? Hey, why is she looking at Rango? These birds are crazy. She's making friends with Rango. Do you think she's making friends with Rango? Aw, Toothless. You're just too grumpy to get a friend, huh? Hey, you're just too grumpy to get a friend. Think all the food's for you, huh? You just eat all your food right away. Don't. You don't get a chance to meet it like Rango does. Rango likes to talk to his food before he eats it. Gotta love that Pepsi. It's better than liquor. Hey, what you doing up there? Going to sleep on top of your house for? Go to your bed. Go make some baby eggs. You too. Go make some eggs. Want some eggies. But, yeah. Check out my channel. Kevin and Friends Reptile Room. That was just a bird blog you just seen with Perdida and Fernando. So hopefully they can get some likes on this video. And hit that subscribe button and that notification. So that, see, they're saying hit that stuff, hit it. See, make sure you hit that for Perdida, or for Fernando and Perdida. Where's Perdida? Yeah, Perdida's up there somewhere. There she is. Talking to Rango. I'm toothless. And Marshmallow. And Fang behind me. And Sting over there. And Spitfire up there. We're all looking for a like. Like. And if I can get up to 50 subscribers, I'm scared of scorpions. Like, really scared of scorpions. If I can get 50 subscribers, I'm gonna try to hold Sting, the scorpion we got. If you've seen my blogs from before, the big, I don't know what kind of